Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Keep and signing into your Google account. This ties notes to your profile instantly. Tap New Note and choose the input type, text, list, voice, or image, because each fits a different task. Add a concise title so you find it fast, then assign a color or label to categorize. Once done, pin important notes to the top so they stay visible. Make sure to let Keep sync before moving on to the next steps. Now organize and refine your notes so they work for you. Use labels and colors to create visual groups, pin priority items, and archive finished notes to declutter the view. For lists, convert items to checkboxes, drag entries to reorder, and indent to create subtasks. Use the search bar with label filters to find content fast, and add time or location reminders when you need prompts. Once organized this way, you'll spend less time hunting and more time doing. Finish by sharing and safeguarding your work. Add a collaborator to any note so you both can edit and see updates in real time. Make sure sync is enabled and confirm the same Google account is active on web and mobile for automatic backups. Export important content by copying or using Google Docs. If notes go missing, check archive first, then trash, and finally verify account and sync status. A quick sign out and sign in often forces a resync and restores visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.